You could take it with you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I'm happy that you are here. So as you saw in the title, most likely, I am going to be creating a quick, easy, and cute flower crown. I have lots of flower crowns that I've made, and I know I had a couple people ask me how I made them, and I figured I would show you guys. If you wanted to make some yourself or just like watching people create things, then we're gonna go and get started with the supplies. Okay, so for materials, you're going to need a hot glue gun. This one is from Michael's, but they have them at Joann's and even at Dollar Tree. Some glue sticks, which of course you could get Michael's, Joann's, Dollar Tree, Walmart, a lot of places have them. We got these crafting pliers. I think I got these at like Joann's or Michael's. And then some fake flowers. I got these all from Dollar Tree. I got 3 different kinds. You can get whatever colors you want, combination of different types of flowers, so it's visually interesting. And those are all the supplies you'll need. So we're gonna get started with taking apart our flowers. Gonna start by taking the pliers and cutting off each flower stem. If you don't have or don't want to buy pliers, you can also use strong scissors, but it could take a while. They can also be pulled off. They're just not as clean when you pull them off, but you could also do that too. And then for the last ones, I think I have enough stems. I don't really need any more. So now I'm gonna start taking the actual flowers off. And they just pull right off the ends. You could also pull up the leaves too, because you might want the leaves in your arrangement. Okay, now that we have all of these stems, we're going to take them and use them to create the base of our crown. So I take them and then grab another one and twist the ends together. And try to twist as well as you can, and then you will take your hot glue gun that's spilling glue all over the table and just glue the ends down once you're done arranging them, so then they don't poke you, because it'll be hard to get them to lay perfectly flat, and so they stay together. So then you'll have a ring. You can twist and pull however you need it to. It might come off as you are just playing around with it, but again, when we glue it, it'll all stay together. You want to make sure you make it so it fits your head. You can test the fit by just putting it on your head. It fits. It fits. If you want it bigger or smaller, you can do that. Mine, my hair's kind of big, so probably want it bigger. But yeah. So if I want it bigger, I'll just peel it apart. Let's see which side kept falling off. I think it was this side. And just add another one. There you go. Add another one. Now it's big enough to fit around my big hair. So now I take and glue those edges so they stay. And now this is where we take our flowers and we can arrange them on the table and see how we want them to lay, where we want our flowers and leaves to go. Then once you're happy with your arrangement, you just start gluing them on the outside of your flower crown ring you made. You can also snip off the ends, or you can have the ends kind of lay on top, but they stick out quite a bit, so I like to just trim them down. Okay, so that's how you make a flower crown, or how I make a flower crown. So super simple, you know, cute, cheap, not too hard, like basic supplies really. So I hope you guys like this DIY tutorial. Please give it a like, subscribe in case you want to see more of my videos. Might be making more things. If there's anything else you'd like to learn how to make, let me know. I like to make things and it'd be fun to show you how. So let me know if you do try this out and make your own. I'd love to see what other people create out of this flower crown tutorial. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you come back to watch more of my videos. Bye bye.